It's your boy KB from Dubs and Tires TV at our new location right in front of I-95. Right now you got the two Crave, number 11 and 26 inch on the Escalade Platinum Series ESV. No scrub, no rub, 295 30/26s in the front. That big dish on the 26 inch wheel. Same on the back with the Platinum Escalade. It's a beautiful looking vehicle. Nice looking wheels for the Cadillac Escalade. Can't beat the look. The 26 inches always go well on all the trucks. And again, you can find those online at dubsandtires.com, or you can call us at 877-544-8473. It's your boy KB from Dubs and Tires TV, signing off.